Welcome to the Zer Budget Challenge, where we aim to create a viral YouTube channel in just 30 days without spending a dime. In this video, we'll explore the purpose behind this challenge and what you can expect to learn along the way. Our goal is to demonstrate that you don't need a hefty budget to achieve YouTube success. We'll share cost-effective strategies that anyone can implement, regardless of their financial situation. By focusing on creativity and resourcefulness, you'll discover how to maximize your channel's potential. Plus, we'll highlight the exciting possibility of seeing quick results, proving that with the right approach, your dream of going viral is within reach. So, let's dive in and get started on this thrilling journey together. Understanding your niche. To build a successful YouTube channel, it's crucial to identify and define your target audience and niche. Start by researching trending topics and interests within your chosen niche to understand what viewers are currently engaging with. This will help you tailor your content to meet their needs. Next, analyze your competitors to find gaps in their content that you can fill. Look for areas where you can provide a fresh perspective or unique insights. Finally, create a unique value proposition that sets your channel apart from others. This could be your distinctive style, expertise, or approach to storytelling. By clearly defining your niche and audience, you'll be better equipped to create content that resonates and attracts subscribers, paving the way for your channel's growth. Content planning. Developing a content calendar is essential for your 30-day challenge, as it helps keep your ideas organized and on track. Start by brainstorming video topics that resonate with your target audience. Think about their interests, pain points, and what excites them. Next, plan a mix of formats to keep your content fresh and engaging. Consider incorporating tutorials, vlogs, and challenges to appeal to different viewer preferences. This variety will not only entertain, but also educate your audience. Finally, schedule consistent uploads to build anticipation and engagement. Regular posting helps establish a routine for your viewers, encouraging them to return for more. By thoughtfully planning your content, you'll create a dynamic channel that captivates your audience and drives growth throughout the challenge. Filming techniques. Creating high-quality videos on a budget is entirely possible by utilizing some basic filming techniques. Start by using natural lighting, which can dramatically enhance your video quality without any cost. Position yourself near windows or shoot outdoors to take advantage of soft, flattering light. Additionally, choose simple backgrounds that won't distract from your content, ensuring your message remains the focus. Next, leverage free editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Shotcut to polish your videos. These tools offer powerful features that can elevate your final product without breaking the bank. Finally, experiment with different angles and shots to keep your content visually interesting. By varying your perspectives, you'll engage viewers and maintain their attention, making your videos more dynamic and enjoyable to watch. Optimizing video titles and descriptions. Crafting compelling titles and descriptions is essential for improving your video's searchability and viewer engagement. Start by incorporating relevant keywords that align with your content and audience interests. This will enhance your SEO, making it easier for potential viewers to discover your videos. Next, write engaging descriptions that effectively summarize the video content, providing viewers with a clear idea of what to expect. A well-structured description can also include additional context or links to related content, further enriching the viewer experience. Finally, don't forget to use call-to-action phrases such as like, comment, and subscribe, or let us know your thoughts below. These prompts encourage viewer interaction, fostering a sense of community and increasing the likelihood of return visits to your channel. Promoting your channel. To increase visibility and attract subscribers, implementing free promotional strategies is key. Start by sharing your videos on social media platforms like Instagram and Twitter. Create eye-catching posts that highlight your content and encourage your followers to check it out. Engaging with online communities and forums related to your niche is another effective way to promote your channel. Participate in discussions, share your expertise, and subtly introduce your videos when relevant. This builds credibility and drives traffic to your channel. Additionally, consider collaborating with other YouTubers to reach new audiences. Joint projects can introduce your content to their subscribers, expanding your reach and fostering valuable connections. By utilizing these strategies, You'll enhance your channel's visibility and create a thriving community of engaged viewers. Analyzing performance. Monitoring video performance and audience engagement is crucial for refining your strategy. Start by using YouTube Analytics to track key metrics such as views, watch time, and subscriber growth. This data provides valuable insights into how your content is performing. Next, identify which videos resonate best with viewers and analyze why they are successful. Look for patterns in topics, formats, or presentation styles that attract more engagement. Additionally, pay attention to viewer feedback in comments and likes, as this can guide your content decisions. Based on these performance metrics and audience insights, adjust your content strategy accordingly. Whether it's focusing on popular themes or experimenting with new formats, continuous analysis will help you create more compelling content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Conclusion. In summary, we've explored the importance of cost-effective strategies for achieving YouTube success without breaking the bank. By focusing on creativity, resourcefulness, and smart planning, you can build a thriving channel that resonates with your audience. Remember, with dedication and the right approach, quick results are within your reach. As you embark on your own YouTube journey, don't forget to implement the tips we discussed, from optimizing your content to promoting your channel effectively. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from these insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content and grow our community. Let's continue this journey together and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel.